look like this. No joke. Is my hair beautiful straight? Yes. Can you tell I'm wearing makeup? Well, I can. And yeah. This is my dog Sakata. See, isn't she just a beautiful dog you've ever seen? I wish I look like Jennifer Lopez. But you know what? Some girls are not lucky. They don't get that kind of look. They get a beautiful look. Yes. This. I am Aiden. Yes. Clown strips. They're the best. That's the thing. Get a seat. Well, I will tell you a little about my life. When I was born, I had this look. The doctors tell me it's a very special look. And I'm proud of my look. But sometimes I wish I looked like Britney Spears. But I don't get that look. I get this look. And I'm happy with it. Okay? Don't make me emotional. And my phone. Not cool. I don't get friends because I'm ugly.